Hey there, welcome back to Kids Gardening with Liz. I'm Liz and I'm here at the Arroyo High School Farm Lab. I'd like to offer a congratulations to all of our recent graduates. We are so proud of you and excited for all the new things that you're going to do this summer and this fall. There's also a lot to celebrate this month. We've got Pride, we've got Juneteenth, and with all the craziness that's happening in the world right now, I'd like everyone to take a moment to slow down and reflect and realize that this is a moment for self-care. So during these moments of transition, we want to stop and slow down and remember all the things that we do for self-care to help us recharge so that we're ready to go in the fall for all these new and exciting things. So with that in mind, I'd like to remind you of a video we made way back in 2020 about Shinrin-yoku, or forest bathing. Shinrin-yoku, or forest bathing, is when you take time to walk through or under or spend time underneath trees, and you're smelling and absorbing the terpenes that the leaves of the trees excrete out into the air when they breathe. You're also getting high levels of oxygen when you're standing right underneath a tree. So both of those things help reduce cortisol, which is your stress hormone. So spending time with trees, walking through trees, underneath trees is really good for your brain's de-stressing, for getting rid of those stress hormones and feeling your most calm, recharged self. So this is most potent really early in the morning or in the evening. If you notice, plants open their stomata, or the little breathing holes in their leaves, at night. So this effect will be stronger at night. And I hope that you take some time this summer to recharge yourself so that you're feeling really refreshed and positive for this new moment in your life. So I hope you continue to follow us and share these videos with anyone you think they might help. Thank you so much and have a great